Hello everyone, Zain with you and welcome back. Today I will show you how to find hidden chats on WhatsApp. Now here as you can see I have my WhatsApp turned on. Now I want you to go to any one of these chats. Let's say this one here for example. I will open it just like so, then open it just like so. Click on OK. And now I will scroll down till I get here to this section, chat lock. I will lock this chat, then click on continue. And I will confirm using my fingerprint, then click on OK. Now, if you want to access the lock the chat, you should scroll down a little bit just like so. Scroll to the down to the bottom. And here you have it, the lock chat. You can just use your fingerprint or the pattern, and you can have the lock chat just right here. You can actually unlock it. You can go back again and toggle this off, use your fingerprint, and you're all done. So this is how you can actually get the hidden chats or lock chats, or you can even go to archived, and here you can actually see all the archived and the hidden chats. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.